teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Lucy.
Okay, Lucy. Lucy, how old are you?
I'm 4.
4. That's good. Lucy, are you ready for the test today?
Yes.
Yes, give me a high five. Yes, that's a good high five. Here we go. Okay. What animal is this? It's
It's a pig.
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 What animal is this?
It's the
Good. Goat.
God.
What animal is this?
It's a cat.
What animal is this?
It's a cow.
Okay, what animal is this?
It's a
Rabbit.
lizard.
What animal is this?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. What animal is this?
It's a rooster.
Rooster, nice.
It's a duck.
It's a duck.
It's the
Horse.
hawk.
Horse. Okay. Boom. High five. Yay. Let's look at some words. We got them. Yep.
Yellow.
Yep.
Jojo.
Yo-yo.
Sure.
Zebra.
Little.
Boom. Egg. Egg.
Egg.
House.
House. Moon.
Moon.
Queen.
Queen.
Tiger.
Lion. And ding ding ding. Give me a yes. Okay. I got some stickers. Still need to win them. So we do 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1. Oh, 1 only. We need 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ui, ui. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 2 only. Ui, ui. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good job, Lucy. Goodbye.
Very good.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Very good.
Oh, okay.